it's a good day. It's Saturday. I was just riding my bike in the morning. I got this car like an hour or two ago, and it's good. Yeah, it works. I have to extend it though. I'm probably gonna end up spending like $40. I'm driving like an hour away from the location I have to drop it off at. Gotta fill up gas too, so it's a little expensive. I like not having to do the 20 rides per week. I feel like instead of getting a car for a whole week, you can do this Getaround on the weekend for some driving. I'm not sure, I think sort of the best option is this fare thing where you pay the deposit and you can get a car pretty cheap. Also Shift, to finance a car. I think that's a good option because if you own the car, you can actually make money on the other side of Getaround, having your car be available to people. I think that's a good way to go. Yeah, I would recommend that. That's it. I'm just gonna drive. I'm definitely gonna be filming some shots. It's nice out here.